Alright guys, this is a video I've actually been trying to make for a little bit. I built another another trailer the other day, about 6 months ago, but I haven't been able to get back to it because I've been way too busy doing other work. So this is the first time I've actually taken it out. And so it's not finished on the inside, but I'll take you on the outside and we'll see how we do when we get to where we're going. I'm just moving some furniture for my son with it. First time I'm taking it out. So some of you guys, if you would have seen somebody or been following some of my videos, you might have been seeing this trailer in the background as I slowly built it. And so this might be the first shot of it kind of in its built condition. Alright, so here it is. Alright, so here it is right here. It's actually a 5x8 trailer, so it's 5 feet wide and 8 feet long. But because I put that little bump out right there, it's a little about 8.5 feet inside. And of course the tongue, I don't count. Of course I got a window on each side, a light on that side. It does have an awning rail up here. If we look inside, there's the furniture inside, so there's quite a bit of room in here. But it is unfinished, so don't judge me too harshly. I'm just using it as a utility trailer right now. Don't judge me. So here we go. I'm hooked up to the trailer, so I don't have to worry about it. But I did throw some rear jacks down here. And I do have it waterproofed underneath. Look around the outside. That's the trailer. Let's open it up. I think so. Sorry, I made that rear door a little bit tight. Well, everything's in there. Look at that. Let's get this thing unloaded. How tall would you say you are, Thomas? A little over 6 foot?
A little over 6 foot.
Okay. You guys got it? Alright, I guess we can go on the inside of this thing now. So this is just a sneak peek. It's obviously not done. I have this set up right here. That's where the electrical is all going to go. It'll be a cabinet from the floor to the ceiling right here. For a closet and a little bit of storage. A countertop over here. There won't be anything underneath. And there won't be anything above. Except for maybe a cabinet face up there. I do have ceiling lights obviously set up, but nothing wired in. Over back here. That's you got a porch light and your ceiling light switches. Charge center with USB hookup and 12-volt charge. And then a 110 outlet. TV's just mocked up right there. Well, it is installed and it made it there and back a few times, so I guess that's where it's go. Over on this side, it's kind of hard to see. I had to take the sofa out right there and there, and it's a fold down, flip over a sofa, so it does turn into a bed. So it would sleep 1 comfortably, 2 if someone slept on the floor. I do have to put the floor anchors in for whatever gear you would tie down. And that's pretty much the inside of it. The door, of course, right here is a Challenger door. Yeah, I had it made to fit this opening, but it does have a screen door. It's basically everything you'd want. And then we'll go outside. There it is on the outside. In the front, I will have a storage box for the battery and for gear. And I did frame it in for another door on this side if you wanted to actually have more of a teardrop double door. The roof itself is a rubber roof. And on the outside, the only thing, I did fabricate this gutter right here because it's a really tight clearance. But I wanted to make sure water wasn't going to get into the door. This door is just something I fabricated out of an existing door, so it's not a final product. Well guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you that I was working on something else. This is technically, I'm calling this my 400 subscriber video. Spectacular celebration. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions about this or anything else, I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks a lot. Alright, so I'm actually helping my son move some furniture we just picked up. It was too much furniture to fit in my normal utility cart trailer, my flatbed trailer. It's actually an entertainment center. So this is my first go around with this trailer. It's towing really nice. I have had pickup trucks before, but the biggest problem I found with pickup trucks is 95% of the time you don't have anything in the back of the truck. And so you're just driving around with a big box for no reason. And so this trailer I developed to be a toy hauler, a tiny camper, or tiny Can-Am, what do you want to call it? A tiny trailer. We'll call it a tiny trailer. But you can actually get 2 motorcycles in it, an ATV in it, maybe a single UTV, single seater with no roof on it. But more importantly, it'll fit in a standard garage. So the roof isn't high enough to fit so that it doesn't fit through a garage. And because it doesn't have propane or plumbing or freshwater plumbing, it's still a utility trailer. So ideally, you only have to register it once and it gets a permanent plate, at least here in Arizona. I don't know how it is in every state. And the better part is, because it fits in a garage, you don't have to worry about paying for storage on this thing. You can put your ATV, your motorcycle inside of it, put it in your garage, and bam, you're done. Easy. You don't have to drag everything out, get everything ready when you're ready to go out and have some fun on the weekends. I know as most toy haulers, it's actually somewhat frustrating every single time you go out, because it's a big ordeal dragging the trailer out from storage, getting it unloaded, getting it loaded up, getting it hooked up, moving it to where you're going. It's a lot of work. It's not a lot of work with this thing. I can pull it with a Prius. A lot of times you just want to go out for it. Maybe a day ride, maybe just an overnight, have fun on the weekend, and then you don't have to worry about it. But what I find all too often with most people with a motorcycle or ATV is, or even a toy hauler, is they generally still have a utility trailer because it's such a hassle taking the toy hauler out that they just have a utility trailer for those day trips. So I think this thing's perfect for that because, again, you just store it in your garage. It's ready to go. I designed it for a weekend living, maybe a week living. It's really comfortable when you're inside, but I'm not going to say you're going to live in this thing full time like you might with a standard toy hauler. So we're almost where we're going. We're going to pull in the parking lot, and I'll show you what's inside, and we'll get a little quick walk around.